Hello, Chris Menard. My Canon M50 camera is not working, so no video today, but here is a great Excel exercise. 3 Excel tips every user should know. So tip number 1, inside this data, customer number, last name, city. Well, for some reason, first name is sitting over here in column J, and I really want it next to the last name. I have seen people insert a column at C, cut this, and then paste it. No need to do that. Here's the tip. Highlight the column, because I want to move this column. Put your mouse on either the left border or the right border. Notice the arrows are really large. Right-click, don't let go. Drag, drop, shift right, and move. Left-click it. Perfect. Just so you know this, if you ever take something and go the other way, I'm going to put this in K. Column F will not be empty. Watch this. Shift right and move. There you go. Item number 2, we're always doing paste values. I'm going to click down below here. Alt equal is auto sum. No big deal there. A lot of people like to copy. Right click. There's paste values. But that's still a lot of work. You can also copy. Alt H V V. That works, but still a lot of clicks. So this one works for everybody. Here is my quick access toolbar running here from left to right. Sometimes the quick access toolbar may be above the ribbon, so now it's up here. I prefer it below, so let me put it back down there. I'm going to add paste values to the quick access toolbar, and I don't know if you know this. When you have items on the quick access toolbar, QAT, Alt 1, Alt 2, Alt 3, Alt 4. So whatever you have there, the Alt key and the number on your keyboard puts it there. I use paste values all the time. I'm going to make that the first one, Alt 1. So here we go. More commands. Quick access toolbar. Go from popular to all. Click in here one time. It's paste values, but it's under the letter V and not the letter P. So I press the letter V to jump down to the letter V, and then I'm just going to scroll down a little bit. Paste values. Add it. I want it to be the first item, so I'm going to move it to the top. Click OK. Let's give it a shot. So Alt 1 is going to be paste values. Copy this number. Click somewhere, I don't care where you click. Alt 1 on my keyboard, and that is paste values. The other cool feature about that is if you're not a keyboard person, you can just come up here and click it right here now. But I like the keyboard. Either one works. Item number 3 that I find myself just doing all the time. I want to combine the last name, the first name, a dash, the city, a dash, and Facebook. I'm just making this up. I like to have a label, so I'm going to just call this join. By the way, I don't know if you noticed that in my quick access toolbar, bold is the third one. So here we go again, a review, Alt 3, perfect. I'm going to type Menard, dash, Chris, dash, Atlanta, dash, Facebook, press enter, Control, and the letter E. Control E pulls up what is called flash fill, which I use all the time. If you go to the data tab, I want to show you this with the mouse. Here is flash fill, Control E. So I could have clicked right here too in cell K3. I have noticed sometimes with flash fill, instead of typing in just one line item, you may have to type in 2 or even 3 for Excel to recognize the pattern. But for me, this one was pretty clear, so it worked. If you like flash fill, I have an extensive video collection on flash fill where I even do stuff that's not always matching. Possibly a first name and last name. The next person has a first name, middle initial, and last name. Somebody may have doctor in front of their name, so I have a video on that one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe and have a wonderful day. Thank you.